iPhones have a cool feature called standby mode. This feature turns on automatically when you place your iPhone on its side while charging. When standby display shows up, you see information like widgets, photo frames, and clocks. While this is a really cool feature that also looks cool, there's one thing that annoys many people. The standby display turns red at night whenever your iPhone's ambient light sensor detects darkness or low light in the room. The good news is that you can prevent this from happening and keep standby showing in its original colors even in dark environments. Here's how to turn night mode off. Start by launching the settings app. Here, find and tap on the standby option. Next, tap on the display option. On the display settings page, find the night mode toggle. It's located under at night section. Turn this toggle off to turn off the red tint functionality. With the night mode toggle turned off, your iPhone standby screen will no longer turn red at night no matter how dark your environment gets. Of course, you can reverse this and get the red tint back by following the same steps and enabling toggle for night mode again. That's all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.